Hi, we're going to assume that you already know how to hold a whistle, right? Fingers relatively flat. Okay, I didn't assume it. I'm reminding you. There's a couple of exercises. First is holding the whistle without having it in your mouth, so you can balance it. Put it in your mouth. I tend to play a little to the side, maybe because I'm off balance generally, but you can play straight in the middle. And a really good first exercise, don't worry about making any notes yet, unless you can. If you can make notes, you probably don't need to see this video. Anyway, the first one is just like this. And then holding down that first finger, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do fives. And then the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you were paying attention, you might have noticed my little finger came down here to hold the whistle. You don't have to do that. I have always found that it helps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you're doing is you're getting repetition at this basic exercise of moving one finger while the other ones are staying where they are. So now, do it faster. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the basic exercise. If you can add notes to that, very good. Let's go. Now we'll go up. Now this, of course, is the hardest note because you have to have all of these covered correctly. Very good next exercise. Once you can, even when if you can't make notes yet, just to go down. Just to get the fingers used to doing this by themselves. All right? Once you can do that, once you can do that, you're ready to start melodies and making music. Okay? It can take a lot of work to get that far. So stick with it, be patient. And there it is.